I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting signal flowing. Plug your electric drum module into the Mac via USB or into an audio interface. Once connected, open GarageBand and set the audio sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz so MIDI timing stays stable. Next, create a new software instrument track, then select your drum module as the MIDI input device. This lets you record MIDI note data instead of audio. Doing that keeps hit dynamics editable and lets you swap drum kits quickly. Once the track exists, load Drum Kit Designer or a third-party drum instrument to receive your pad hits. Then map pads to the correct MIDI notes. Either import the module's MIDI map or use GarageBand's MIDI Learn to assign sounds. Make sure you adjust velocity curves and pad sensitivity inside the drum module so soft and hard hits translate musically. Also, set input monitoring and low latency mode. Doing this reduces audible delay and keeps your performance tight while you record. Now you record. Enable cycle mode for multiple takes, play full phrases, and comp the best hits into a single, clean performance. Once recorded, edit by lightly quantizing to correct timing, but keep some human feel and normalize or humanize velocities so dynamics breathe. When you're ready, add effects, compression, reverb, to taste and bounce the mix. If you see dropped notes or latency, check buffer size and core audio drivers. Try a direct USB connection, and replace cables if symptoms persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.